friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian once again. Welcome back to Kesari Textile Manufactures. I hope all are safe and doing great. Once again, I brought for you the cotton manufacturers Kesaria. We're having a multiple varieties of cotton sarees, printed saree, cotton fancy sarees. If I talk about cotton sarees, which starts from 95 rupees, today I'm going to show you in between around 500 to 700 range of only heavy contrasted multiple designer printed sarees. So keep watching this video. Resellers, cotton saree wholesalers, dealers, if you want to add these collections, directly deal with Kesaria manufacturers and buy bulk quantity of collections to make your customers happy. And this is a month where though the Shravan month which started in between till the month of August, there will be a Shravan month, so you can have these collections, even the silk also, even you have a boutique collections also. So subscribe the channel for the regular updates. You can add into your business the beautiful lovely collections you can quickly purchase. So first pattern you are watching here, the beautiful magenta color with the dark purple wine color combination with the kesar color with the beautiful floral printed with blouse, without blouse. We have multiple varieties in this print you can take. This is a Gehna HF is the code. All these varieties are Gehna HF. So when you purchase these all varieties, you can buy this, say this code, and you can purchase. So next pattern if I want to show you, this is very beautiful lovely greeny gardenery pattern, the floral with the mehendi green color with the pista green color, which is Resham Angan BP collection. So very pretty with the mehendi color pallu with the beautiful Rama green concept of the heavy contrasted Resham green. Resham Angan BP is the code. Next saree if I talk about the chocolate color, the very pretty color with the chocolate with the maroon with Rama green, the lotus and the floral printed chocolate color combination, which you have a khadi cotton, malmal cotton, chanderi cotton. Multiple varieties of cotton is getting manufactured and only in India, because the cotton is getting in India and it is exporting to many countries. The cotton is having a many more multiple segments, even from men or bedsheets, blankets and any other things. Cotton is utilized in highest ratio. That's why the cotton, so cotton we can see many varieties, keep updating from the manufacturers and supporting dealers and retailers. So one more pattern, this is here the dark maroon color with the beautiful covered print. Gehna HF is the code. There's a mini borders you can see over here. These all colors are the dark maroon combination with the heavy. So you will get this varieties of traditional base, the beautiful pallu. This is also you can see here. So these all varieties you can show your customers every day. You can display in your shop. If you have a mannequin, you can put it on the display counters, even the hangers. So it will easily sell out. So for every individual color, there is a different taste of collections of the customers, where different color skin tones all having individual colors. So multiple color varieties the manufacturers are getting launched. These collections, if I talk about the dark purple color, the mountain but multiple color mini floral print has been given. This is also one of the pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, royal blue color Gehna HF, this is also one of the pattern. So in this also you have a lovely color charts. So this is kesar color with the Rama green with the royal blue color combination. So this is one of the print. So every individual color we have a color sarees. So Gehna HF is the code. So all these varieties see and purchase, you can take a screenshot. Gehna HF is the code. So this is one of the pattern. Chocolate is the code. So chocolate color Gehna HF is the code. This is also dark colors. All these collections quickly you can contact our online team. We do have a website, social media pages also. You have a dark casual and these kind of varieties of painting pattern. You have official pattern. So the half white mini print with the official colors with the grey color combination. The beautiful lovely saree, the lavender with heavy border. So you have a multiple border. You have a Orissa pattern sarees. You have a two-tone shade with heavy bold. Three concepts of borders also. You have the fancy traditional based tassels with the designer stonework, mini butta with dark maroon shades. All these collections, multiple embroidering work based with the so n number of collections you can purchase. Kesaria is having all varieties, no quality, no quantity doubts. Everywhere you can see the bunches of collections. This is what the Kesaria manufacturers is supporting you, guiding you. Even the low range to high range, we have individual collections. So no language barrier over here. Every individual language we have online team When you visit Surat, you have to come down to Millennium Textile Building 1, which is located in Camilla, that was a signal point, the first floor. Come to reception point, you'll have a sales executive support based on your state locations, and depend on that, if you couldn't travel, you have online and video calling option. Morning 9:30 to 8:30 the shop gets operating, so you can quickly pan India worldwide. We do have a shipping transport, no need to worry about the business investment. Based on your investment, you can plan, select the boutique or shop or home based business, anything. So you have a multiple options for the women apparels, not only women apparels, handloom collections, men varieties, kids collections, etc, etc. So under one roof you're getting many more things. So Kesaria is supporting you. If you have a future plans to start a clothing business, contact Kesaria website, social media pages, let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me. So until then, there's a bell icon, just click it, share with everyone. So next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, take care, bye bye.